water droplets fall one by one. Oh no, said everyone, the day is ruined for everyone. Why do they hate me? Thought the rain I'd give you water to live, water to wash, water to play. But in the end it's my fate to be called gloomy at my face. The sun marks a new day, but little do they know the sun makes me rain. A little kid noticed my pain. The kid loves me by heart, understands me like no one has. He sees that everyone happy under the umbrella. He thinks the rain brings everyone together as one. Is fair and falls on all, on people who are never fair. Tears fall down his cheeks, how unfair the world have to be. His sadness makes me rain, hiding his tears off his face. It's okay, little one, the world can think what they want. I will rain to cheer you up, on your sad days I will